my YouTube channel. I'm Ken. I love science and Lego models. Each model that I make has a theory behind to learn, which I particularly enjoy. Would you like to learn STEM with me? For example, the automatic balance machine uses the concept of center of gravity, where when the cart moves to one side, the center of gravity moves to where the cart is, and it makes the bridge unstable and leans to the side the cart is on. Here are some more examples of the STEM models I am planning to research and create, such as this painting easel. Would you like to explore the world of STEM models and join the learning journey with me? If so, remember to hit the like and subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll never miss out on any of my new content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!